Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can insert or remove an SD card to the Samsung Galaxy A20 mobile device. So to begin, we're going to use a SIM pin right here, and the SIM tray is located on the left hand side at the top. So you want to push the pin into the hole right here. There is a small hole right there. So you put it in and then you push it gently and the SIM tray will pop out. So now we're going to use the finger and pull out the SIM tray. In here at the top compartment is the SIM card, and then at the bottom here is where you can put in your SD card. So I'm going to slide in the SD card with the metal bit facing down. So the metal contact is facing down, and make sure it's in nice and flat. Next, once you are ready, you can then insert the SIM tray back into the phone like so. Just gently, no need to force it, otherwise you might break the plastic SIM tray. And then push it in gently. Once you hear it snap into place, then you're good to go. Now to remove the SD card, again you do the same thing. You put in the SIM pin and push it in gently. Then you pull out the SIM tray. Next, you put your finger underneath and push up the SD card. Once that pops out, you can then remove the SD card, and then you can put the SIM tray back into the device. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.